are going for the poetic devices, the figures of speech. Quickly, as you know, here the destroying of the tree is compared with killing of a human being. So all the human qualities are seen in the tree. So obviously the figure of speech is the figure of speech of the entire poetry is actually the personification. But apart from personification, we have some other figures of speech. So let's discuss them very quickly. It takes much time to kill a tree. Again, killing a tree is killing is a human quality, the human action. So the use of personification. But a simple jab of the knife will do it. It stands for killing a tree. That is a pronoun replacing the noun. So that is the use of the change of name, the use of metonymy. It has grown slowly, again growing slowly. It's all human quality, personification. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth. Earth stands for all the nutrients that is seen in the earth. It is used by the tree. So again, this is the container representing the contain. That is the use of again metonymy, change of name. Rising out of it, rising again a human quality personification, feeding again human quality personification, upon its crust, absorbing human quality personification, years of sunlight, air and water, air and water, air, water, the two words ending with the same rhyming scheme, that is the use of internal rhymes, and out of its leprous hide, indirect comparison between a person suffering from leprosy and the discolored tree trunk. So this is the use of imagery as well as metaphor. We'll go for metaphor, that is quite commonly seen in the examinations. So leprous hide is a figure of speech, metonymy. Rotting leaves, okay. Then hack and chop, almost hacking and chopping is with the same meaning. So words with the same meaning or looking synonymous or similar terms would be called as the use of tautology. So first you hack and then you chop. So it's a successive action done by the one who is cutting the tree in ascending order, which can be used of climax. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Again, it is a representation of killing, change of name, metonymy. Not so much pain will do it. Pain is given to the tree. It is the use of personification. The bleeding bark, the two words starting with the same consonant sound, b, that is the use of alliteration. So bleeding bark, again the bark is given the human quality of bleeding, that is the use of personification. Healing is also human quality, personification. And from close to the ground will rise, again rising human quality, personification. Curled green twigs, miniature boughs, which if unchecked will expand again to the former size. No, the root is to be pulled out. No, the use of niceties, negative idea is conveyed. The root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. Earth is indirectly compared with anchor. So it's an indirect comparison, metaphor. It is to be rocked and tied and pulled out. These are the successive actions in the ascending order just to get the tree uprooted. In the use of climax, rocked, tied, pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely. Pulled out and snapped out, or pulled out entirely. All the words have got the same meaning. Again, the use of tautology, words with the similar terms. Snapping is a sound, so is a natural sound word, onomatopoeia, onomatopoeia, onomatopoeia. Where you have the use of natural sound with the use of onomatopoeia. Earth is indirectly now compared with cave. So out from the earth cave, metaphor. And the strength of the tree, again the quality representing the object, that is a change of name, the use of metonymy. Strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet. See friends, white and wet, though they start with W letter, but they are not the similar sound. The first is va and the second is va. But it is not the use of alliteration. Source is again representation of roots, again change of names is the use of metonymy. The most sensitive, human quality, personification, hidden for years inside the earth. Then the matter of scorching and choking. Choking is the human quality. Again the use of personification, the sun and air. Sun means in the sunlight and heat. So the container or the source representing its material. So change of name, sun representing its heat and light. So this is metonymy, change of name. Browning, hardening, twisting, withering. All these actions take place one by one in the ascending order towards the destruction of the tree. With all the use of climax and word ending with ing is the use of internal rhymes. So it is done now. Again, it is done means the killing of the tree. The use of metonymy, change of name. It stands for killing of the tree. And at the same time, the way the subject works, it is also the use of irony or sarcasm. You can also go for irony or sarcasm as a figure of speech of the entire poetry. This is the poetic device of the figure of speech for killing of the tree, friends. Learn it, write it, and ask me if you don't understand. Thank you.